I'm attorney Jay Wasserman. If you've been in an accident, whether it's an auto accident, a trucking accident, a motorcycle accident, maybe a slip and fall, an injury to a child or a pedestrian, no matter what type of case, we've handled it. We have a team of experienced lawyers averaging 30 years of practice each. Every one of our lawyers has multi-million-dollar verdicts and multi-million-dollar settlements. Put our experience to work for you. Results matter. Call us now. The consultation is free and we don't get paid until you win. Give us a call.